Our CCA is also known as Drink Radicals. This is a little bit on our history. We first started in 2012 by Mr. Isham. We do street hip-hop and experiment with other genres. We try to participate in yearly competitions and external performance. This year, we are glad to have our new instructor, Mr. Vernon from Convert Studio. Our vision is to be advocates of the arts in school and raise the standards of performing arts in school. This is our mission. In the CCA, we also practice core values. This is our core values. This is our achievements. The highlight of the achievements is getting distinction for the SYF Arts presentation in 2018.
Hi, I'm Mia, the secretary of HipHop CCA. I'm gonna bring you to the HipHop dance studio. Let's hear what our friends have to say about the CCA.
HipHop is fun, cool,
different from other CCAs,
Adventurous,
amazing,
innovative,
happy, together, lively, healthy,
wacky,
colorful,
marvelous,
hip,
energetic,
creative, motivating,
engaging,
interesting,
beautiful,
exciting,
music, focus. It's wonderful,
unique, exercise, discipline,
caring,
fantastic,
and it also helps me to distress.
Look, they're performing. Let's enjoy the show.
Something like this.
What you say? Hold up, shut your mouth. Cause what you do that though, it ain't no walking out. Let me put you back in time with my coffin now. Oh, I know you smell it in the air. Cause I've been in the grave for too long, I swear. People crying, I'm missing. Oh, bitch, where it been written? My face pale, they can't tell you.